No, his DoorDash? No, Ash's. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Let's see what she does with the help of Cat Mom Jen. Nope. If you go outside, you gotta wear this harness. You tried to escape. She's biting it. Oh, she's already slipped through the front. Get your little paw back in there. She's just... I think this is the first time she's ever had a harness on, so... It's gonna take some getting used to. It's a little too big, but this is our only option right now, so.
It's too big in the front.
It's a little too big, so.
What do you think?
She looks very cute in it, though.
Nothing bad is going to happen to you. So you can be outside now.
Yep. Gonna have to get used to this. Oh, nope, she slipped through the front. Put your arm back down. Hey. Yeah, unfortunately, this harness is not the right size for her, so I think we're gonna have to think of maybe get a different harness. She looks very cute in it, though. Very sweet. Look what they made me do, Dad. Or Noah. Look, Noah, look what they did to me. Asher's just kind of in there. He's a little scared. I don't know, he's a little scared today. I don't know what's going on with him. Yeah, she's looking to escape. That's where she usually jumps up. Can we get the cat medals as custom emojis? Maybe. I might be able to do that. The cat medals is... There she goes. Yep. Got her? Okay. Yep, boys are inside. All right, everyone's inside. She tried to escape again. Cat Mom Jen's face, so Cat Mom Jen doesn't want to be on camera, so I gotta be careful of that. Where did Noah Bean go? Noah Bean, are you inside? I think he's inside. Oh. Noah Bean, where'd you go, baby? I don't think he jumped over. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, she wants to go in, I think.
Just let her process it. Okay, this is clearly not the right size.
Tabby that would walk.
You're
Yeah,
sweet.
she's...
I know, baby. We'll go to the store and get you the right size one. some outside time. Why don't we go in
Yeah,
and
let's
play
go.
with some
Let's
yard?
come inside.